This was a little bit of a crazy one, wasn't it? They wanted it to be a little crazy for you. You're adding 43 dozen donuts plus 45 donuts. And so you're saying, well, Nicholas, that's 43 plus 5 is 48. There we go, we're done. They're both donuts. No, we're not done, guys, because this is 43 dozen donuts. Okay, that's a lot of donuts. If you go to a donut shop and you ask for 43 dozen donuts, I promise you, you're going to be spending a lot of money, okay? You're going to be waiting for 43 donuts, and they're going to give you, ooh, a lot more than that, guys. Okay, so how many are they going to give you? That's what we have to figure out. Because we want donuts, we got to get rid of this dozen thing, okay? So we got to figure out how many donuts are in 43 dozen donuts. We're going to put our 43 dozen right here. Okay, we're going to put dozen on the bottom, donut on the top. How many donuts are in a dozen? Docena. Frankie? 12, okay? 12 donuts in 1 dozen. So we're going to multiply or divide, Lena? We're going to multiply because the number that's not 1 is on the top. Here we go. 2 times 3, Danielito? 6. 2 times 4, Emiliana? 8. What do we put right here? 0. 1 times 3, Andres? 3. 1 times 4, Oscar? 4. 6. 1, 5. There are 500. Look at that. You're going to go to a donut shop and ask for 43 dozen donuts. You're going to get 516 donuts. I don't have money for 516 donuts, guys. I promise you. Okay, so here we go. We're going to cross this out, and this is 516. So 516 plus 5, what's our final answer, Ethan? 521. Huh. Whew. I know we like donuts, but that's a lot of donuts, you guys. Okay, here we go. We're going to go over to page 44. Look at number 3A. Page 44, number 3A. Tal vez ustedes están pensando, puchica, nosotros estamos en 50 páginas cada acción. Okay, guys, it's good. It's good. Don't get discouraged, porfa. Don't be desanimados. This is good information, and I'm here for you if you need any more help. Okay, here we go. Number 3, letter A. Mrs. Robbins' family eats 2 gallons of ice cream every week. Maybe she has a big family. 2 galones de helado every week. How many quarts of ice cream do they eat in 9 weeks? Okay. She eats 2 gallons every week. They eat that for 9 weeks. Guys, how many gallons is that? They eat 2 galones cada semana por 9 semanas. Avia, how many gallons is that? 18. 2 times 9, 18. They are eating 18 gallons of ice cream every 9 weeks. Okay, did you know there's 9 weeks in the parcial in school? So that would be like eating 18 gallons of ice cream in the primer parcial. Whoa. Okay, but then we want to know how many quarts of ice cream do they eat. So we have to go 18 gallon equals how many quarts? So let's do it. 18 gallons, put your line. What do we put down here, Safir? Gallons. So what do we put up here, Andres? Quart. How many quarts are in a gallon, Danielito? 4. Okay, so are we going to multiply or are we going to divide? Dana? We're going to multiply. 18 times 4. Okay, Ethan, 4 times 8. 32. 4 times 1 plus 3. Emiliana? 7. 72. They eat 72 quarts of ice cream. Yeah, that's a lot. Okay, look at letter B. Mr. Owens bought 3 yards of lumber. Lumber is madera. He used 7 feet of the lumber to make a post. How many feet does he have left? Well, when we say does he have left, what are we doing? Are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Abiel? We're subtracting. Good. So we're doing 3 yards minus 7 feet equals how many feet he has left. Okay, is this possible, Danielito? Not yet, buddy. Okay, so what are we gonna do, Mario? Which one are we gonna change, buddy? Are we gonna change the 3 yards or the 7 feet? We're gonna change the 3 yards because we need feet. Good, good, good. So here we go. Put your 3 yards equals, what do you put on the bottom, Oscar? Oop, we're done. Here. What do we put on the bottom, Oscar? Yards. What do we put on the top, Danielito? Feet. How many feet are in a yard, Frankie? 3. Do we multiply or divide, Ethan? Multiply. 3 times 3, Safir? 9. So there's our answer right there. We put it up here, 9. So how many feet does he have left, Abiel? Only 2. Excellent, excellent job, you guys. Okay, let's look at number 5. Look at number 5, letter A. I just want to help you with one number today, because I know sometimes they can be a little confusing, but I know that you guys are doing well. So let's do this one together. 4 billion. Everyone put your finger on it and make sure you write it down with me. 4 billion. So you put 4 and you put a comma. 609 million. 609 million. A comma says million. 47. 47. Can you do it like this? Is that right, Mario? No, 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 no. Okay, guys, what place are we in right here? What do we need to put right here? This is your thousands place. So you have to put 0, 0, 0. Right? And then you put 47 over here. But what do you put right before the 47, Emiliana? You put another 0. Okay? Because then you read it and make sure it's correct. 4 billion. 609 million. 47. Okay? If we don't do it like that, then the answer is not going to come out the same. You're going to have those numbers there, but the places will be wrong. Okay? So work hard and try hard on those numbers. Okay, go over to page 45. 45. We're going to get you ready for Thursday and Friday, and not just today's lesson. Let's do this. Okay, now we're totally changing concepts here, and we're going into Roman numerals, which I think some of you guys prefer over other things. Okay, so here we go. Roman numerals. If you see the letter I, what number does that represent? Do we know? A 1. If you see a V, what does that represent? If you don't know them, you can look at your yellow box, okay? On page 45. What does the V represent up here? 5. What does the X represent, Danielito? 10. What does the L represent, Abiel? 50. What does the C represent, Frankie? 100. The D, Ethan? 500. And what about the M? Mario? Meal. 1,000. Good job. Okay, so if I want to write 1 here, let's start at the top. Abiel, what is 1? An I. Good. What is 2, Dueno? 2 I's. What is, you don't have to write this in your book, you guys. Just do it with me on the video. What is 3, Danielito? 3 I's. What is 4, Emiliana? Okay, 4 is a tricky one, right? I'm sure you got it right. 4, what's the rule? You cannot have more than 3 of the same thing in a row. So I can't do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, I cannot do that because you cannot have 4 I's in a row. Okay? So how are you going to make a 4 then? Well, you're going to put your 1, your I, and which one? The V. The V means 5, and when you put the 1 in front, when you put the one that is menos in front, what are you doing? You're restando. So you're restando 5 menos 1 es igual a 4. So that's why we have IV. If you put VI, what's it going to be? 6, because V is 5 plus 1 is 6, okay? But if you put the I in front, then you're restando and you make a 4. So what is 5, Ethan? V. What is 6, Frankie? V1, right? That's 5 plus 1. So what is 7? What, Andres? VII. Good, because we're just adding them. What is 8, Mario? VIII. What is 9, Oscar? VIII? No, 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 right? What is it going to be, Oscar? It's going to be IX. Because X is 10, and if you put the 1 in front of it, you're restando. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, what is 10, Safir? X. Good job. What's 11, Abiel? X1, XI. What is 12, Dueno? XII. What is 13, Danielito? XIII. Good. What is 14, Emiliana? Okay, we have our X for 10, and then we have an IV for your 4, right? So you have X is 10, and then IV is 4, because 5 minus 1 is 4. Good. What is 15? Even? Just XV. What's 16, Frankie? XV1. What's 17, Andres? XVII. What is 18, Daniel? Mario? XVIII. What's 19, Oscar? Just like 9, you put your X there, and then you put your IX. X means 10, and IX means 9, so 10 plus 9 is 19. What is 20, Safir? XX. Good job. What's 21, Oscar? XXI. What's 22, Mario? XXII. 23, Andres? XXII. 24, Frankie? XX, and then what's 4? IV. Good. What's 25, Ethan? XXV. What's 26, Emiliana? XXVI. Okay. 27, Danielito? XXVII. 28, Dueno? XXVIII. 29, Abiel? XX and then IX, because IX means 9. And then 30, Safir? XXX. Good job, you guys. Okay, that's a good practice in your Roman numerals. I only have to show you one more thing for today. Go over to page 46 and look at number 7. Page 46, number 7. Look at what the instructions say. Write the number that is 1,000 more. Write the number that is 1,000 more. Danielito, read me this number. 72,586. Okay? So what's going to be 1,000 more? Well, Dueno, what's the thousands place? What number here is in your thousands place? The 2. Good. So Andres, what is 1,000 more? 73,586. Okay, you find your thousands place, you guys, and then you just make it up 1. That's all you do. You just add 1,000 to your thousands place. Okay, you guys worked super hard today. Super, super hard. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for your hard work. Have a great rest of your week. Love you. Bye.